I have a fire. Oh my god. I didn't expect that. Can it burn in another way? Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And today I have a Smashy Mashy container, which looks quite interesting. And when I saw it in the shop, I've been wondering, what's a green liquid inside? Can I make a slime with it? Can we play with it? And what's inside of this container? So let's open and find out. I guess inside we have strange creature, mystery body, and sticker, and something else. Well, let's find out. There's no right way to open it, so just tear it apart how I can. It says top secret. How to open it? Okay. Wow. We've got something there. Okay, I guess it's a creature we're gonna find inside. And something else. Oh, it's a pizza part. Little squishy. Looks cute. Oh, wow. That's cute. And here I think we have a squishy. Okay, let's see what we've got. Whoa! It's a slow rising squishy, I think. This is cute and does not smell of anything. But I like it. It's so cool. Wow. That's cute. By the way, what was the container? What's inside? It's strange. It says it's a decoder. I guess to decode something here. Wow. I'm not sure what I can decode here. Well, it's not really clear, but it's cute. And by the way, the container. Can we find out how to get the liquid out? I would like to know how to get the liquid out. I wanna get this liquid. Well guys, I want to see if I can make slime with this liquid. I'm very curious, you know. So I have an idea. I think I will make a hole in the container get the liquid out and make a slime with it. If I can. So I have something here. I will try to melt the container, make a hole and get the liquid out. Hope it will work. Anyway, let's try. Oh my god, it's burning. Okay. Can I make a hole? Shit. Wow. I have a fire. Oh my god. I didn't expect that. Can it burn in another way? Oh shit. Well, hopefully I can make a hole anyway. Please. Just burn in the right direction. Don't burn my house. It's so complicated. Well. Oh my god, oh my god. This is crazy. I just want it to burn here, not there. Okay, I think it will burn anyway. I can make a hole, hopefully. Oh god, it's dangerous, you know? It's dangerous. It's so dangerous. Wow. I made a hole, but not in the right place. Okay, let's try again. Probably have to wait a little bit till it softens up. Yes, I think I can make it. It is just a small hole, not a big one. Wow, I've made a hole. Great. Here we have a hole. Let's pour the liquid into a bowl. This is a crazy experiment, but it's fun. Whoa. It's so green and bright. Okay, that's all. Not a lot of the liquid. I don't think it will slime, so I will pour some clear glue. And a little bit of shaving gel to make it fluffy. It's not really fluffy. But it's so green, the color, I love it. As activator, right now I have baking soda and contact lens solution. Maybe not enough of glue. Yes, I think it does form a slime. Okay, I think it's ready. Almost. Wow, this is so cool, guys, look. This one is so green. So I've made a slime from Smashy Mashy jar liquid. I'm so proud of myself. It's so fun, guys. Slime is really cool. By the way, I don't advise you to do the same because it's really difficult to get the liquid out. Okay guys, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time. Bye bye.